Now that we've got everything done in the drawing, it's time to plot. So we're gonna come over here into layout 1, and you can see our drawing. It's obviously not taking up the whole full space that we need. So one thing that I want to do is let's go ahead and turn off that layer called model space so that we don't see it. You can freeze it or turn it off so that we don't see it. We don't want to see that. And then we also want to come in here and set the scale. So the drawing directions tell us that we're going to set the viewport scale to 1 to 30. So I'm inside model space. I'm inside that viewport. And I'm going to come over here, find 1 to 30. Looks good. It's kind of cut off. We're going to center it where it looks good. Feel free to, with these little north arrow, feel free to drag and drop it wherever it needs to go to get it to fit. There's no set place that it has to be. The legend and the mortgage arrow can kind of be wherever. You could even move them right in front of you like that so that we could center it a little bit more. It's up to you, however you want to do it. Just get it nice and centered. Make sure you're still at 1 to 30, and we're going to lock that viewport and then come back in here to paper space. Double click outside of the viewport to get to paper space, or you could have clicked on the word model to go to paper space. And here you're gonna fill this out. So you're gonna type in mortgage survey, all caps, our scale, we just set the scale, so we make sure we type in 1 to 30. You'll type in your date, you'll type in your name, your college name, course number, and sheet number. This is only one page, so 1 of 1. And that is it. When you're done, you're ready to plot. We've already set this thing up so that it's going to plot to a PDF. If your instructor has any other directions on how they want it plotted, then you can change it in that way. We also want to make sure that it is plotting in monochrome as well. And that's it. You're done with this project.